to all the devotees of Our Lady of Peña Francia. Welcome to Pilgrim City of Naga. Today we are celebrating the Peña Francia Festival. The Peña Francia Festival, which has been described as the biggest Marian event in Asia. It is a religious celebration honoring the patron saint of Bicol region, the Our Lady of Peña Francia. It is a month-long celebration, sabi nga dun sa Bicol song, Salong Domingong Celebra, because it started on second Friday of September, which is the Translation Procession, and 1 week celebration with different activities till the main event, which is the Fluvial Procession na ginaganap nga tuwing ikatatlong Sabado ng buwan ng September. However, the fest day is not just a religious event but also a cultural celebration of the Bicolano identity and heritage. Hence, it features traditional music, dances, parades, and vibrant street performances that showcase the rich cultural tapestry of the region. Bicolanos and other devotees from different parts of the Philippines and ang iba nga from other country pa ay dumadayo para masaksihan ang pagdiriwang ng Peña Francia Fiesta. Maraming nakikipagsapalaran at nagtsatsaga manood sa gilid ng ilog, sa gilid ng tulay. Swertehan na lang kung may nagmamay-ari ng mga bahay sa tabi ng Naga River ang magpapapasok sa iyo. At dito lumalabas ang mga mabuting katangian na mayroon ng isang Bicolano. Tulad na lang ng former boss ng husband ko. Shout out nga pala to Mr. and Mrs. Ato Betsaida sa pag-accommodate sa amin every year para mapanood ang Fluvial Procession. At hindi lang po kami, kundi marami pa silang pinahintulutan pumasok sa kanilang bakuran para lang mapanood ang Fluvial Procession na galing pa sila sa iba't ibang lugar. At dumayo lang talaga sa Naga at walang mapuntahan. In-accommodate po yun ng former boss ng husband ko, yun na Engineer Ato Betsaida. More blessings to come, sir and ma'am. Today, let's all watch the Fluvial Procession of Inang Peña Francia along the Naga River, which is the main event of this Peña Francia Festival. Happy Fiesta Bicolanja! Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro! Thanks for watching. Happy Fiesta, Picolandia!